recording.
Okay, this is a cicada. These fine people are contributing money to eat this for $16.
Let's get a good picture of that bug.
Woo!
Man,
It's still
wiggling.
Yummy. It's a cicada.
Okay, well,
Dad, would you like to contribute?
He's got $16, dude.
I fed you for 11 years. You can eat that one for free.
Who thinks I can eat it?
Well, hey, we've ever put $16. Hey,
Don't get too close.
here you go. We're putting the money up. Here you go. Take a deep breath.
You got chew, show, and then swallow.
Yeah. Chew, swallow.
Do
Here you
Go!
Go.
It's
bad. Ready for you.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat that part too.
You gotta eat the poop, dude.
There's no extra for that.
That's more protein.
You got a 30-second limit, dude.
Yep. 10.
9, 8, 7.
Okay, there's the head.
Oh, well, eat the whole thing.
Eat the meaty part.
That's the whole thing, dude.
I'm trying to show you the head. So now it's not going around.
Oh!
You know, hey.
No, you gotta swallow it and no puking.
You know, this is entertainment in Ohio.
Leave you like titty bug. This is like my every
I get a
morning.
cut of everything he makes.
I can't even hardly be.
What's the
That's
taste
pretty
like?
solid.
Chicken.
Oh, man. What does it taste like?
Nasty.
Oh, what do you eat?
I'll tell you that.
You gotta swallow it. Without puking.
No, he didn't get none to drink. What are you talking about?
Give that guy a
Swallow it,
picture
dude.
because they're acting like that.
You done? I'm gonna stop the video.
I'm not done.
He's going for the flavor of it.
My phone's running out, dude. The battery's getting ready to die. Swallow.
5,
Swallow.
4,
3, 2, 1, 0. Show.